Here's how you can use a custom font with your shareables widget. So all you need to do is have a custom font that is publicly available online, and Google Fonts is a great example here. So I have one that I'm going to use, and I'm going to head over to Get Font, and then go to Get Embed Code. And then in this page here, what I want to do is go to Import and click copy this code here, which is all this information in here. Now heading back to shareables, in your widget, you want to go down to Settings, Custom Code, and then go to Head Code, and let's just expand this. And I'm going to paste in this, which we've just copied. So this is the first part, and this lets us import the font in. And then the next thing you want to do is add this code snippet here. Cool. So what I've added is this little code snippet here. And then inside here, let's go back to your font, and you want to look for something like this. You don't have to exactly find it. You can also type it, but this makes it a lot easier. So font family, and then the name of the font, and then a style. And then let's head back over to shareables. So in here, I'm going to paste that in, and after cursive, I'm going to add this here, import it. What this does is it overrides the styles across the widget, no matter where they are. So once you've done that, make sure it's directly inside both the style tags, and you have the import in this pair. Then click Save. After clicking Save, you'll be able to see that your widget has updated with this new font. It looks a little bit crazy, but obviously you can choose whichever fonts you'd like. If you'd like to update specific elements to have a different font and not all elements, what I suggest you doing is looking at the resource in the video below, because on our help docs, we talk about all the class selectors that you can choose so that you can style specific elements with different fonts. Awesome.